To submit a justification request for a non-competitively bid contract, or NCB, you must access the DGS NCB portal online at dgs.service-now.com/NCB. This link can also be found on the DGS NCB webpage. As an NCB requester in the DGS NCB portal, you must first register to obtain a username and password. Select Request NCB Access on the main login page. Next, fill in all of the required fields with the appropriate information and then click Order Now in the upper right-hand corner of your browser. Your request will be submitted to your respective procurement and contracting officer for approval. Once your NCB portal access has been approved, you will be sent an email with your username and temporary password. Return to the DGS NCB portal login screen and log in using your newly provided username and temporary password. From here, you will be prompted to create a permanent password. To create a new NCB request, click on the Submit New NCB icon. Complete the required fields labeled Short Description, Requesting Organization and Agency, as well as the fields in the Department Contact and Technical Contact Information tabs. Once the required fields are properly populated, the red asterisk will turn gray. Click the Save button to record your information and continue working on the NCB request without losing any progress. You must then complete the required fields under the Required Contract Information, Contract Type and Term, and Justification Information tabs. Once the information is completed, click the Save button in the upper right-hand corner. NCBs requiring internal approvals other than from your department's procurement contracting officer can be done by adding individuals to the watch list. To reach the watch list, first click on the Activities tab, and then click the Add User button to edit the watch list. Once the watch list is opened, insert individual names of reviewers or approvers by entering an email address or search for an existing user. Once all of the names have been added, enter your request for the individuals to review and approve the NCB in the Additional Comments field. Then click the Post button. This will send an email notification to all the individuals on the watch list. Once the information is reviewed and vetted by the individuals on the watch list, click the Ready for Approval button to send the request to the PCO for approval. Once approved by the PCO, an email will automatically be sent to all department approvers. This might include the director, chief deputy director, or deputy director. Approval is required by only one of the department approvers. Once approved, an email will be automatically sent to any agency approvers, if applicable. After an NCB has been approved at the department and agency level, the NCB record will be sent to the Department of General Services. Once received, DGS staff may contact you for clarification or additional information. If the request is in a new draft or department agency status, the department can cancel the NCB request by clicking the Cancel NCB button. Under the Activities tab in the Additional Comments field box, state why this request is being canceled. Then click the Save button to cancel the NCB request. At any point in the NCB process, information in the request can be copied by clicking the View Completed NCBs button. Open the NCB record you wish to copy and click the Copy NCB button. A new NCB request will be created using information from the copied NCB, with the exception of the Contract Type and Term and Justification Information tabs. Click the Save button to save the request. If a Corrective Action Plan, or CAP, is required, the department will receive an email notification. Click the link in the notification email to open the CAP task. Review the CAP instructions and submit required information by the due date indicated. You can submit comments or updates to the corrective action plan through the Activities tab by using the Additional Comments field.